Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make chocolate-filled chocolate chip cookies. So let's get started. To make the chocolate ganache filling, add the chopped chocolate or chocolate chips into a small bowl. You can use any chocolate you like. I'm using a combination of milk and dark. Then add the heavy cream into a small saucepan and heat it on the stove until it starts to boil. And pour it over the chocolate in the bowl. Push the chocolate down so it's all submerged in the heavy cream. Let it sit for 2 minutes so the heavy cream melts the chocolate. Then stir it until it's well combined. Then wrap it in plastic wrap and place it into the fridge for at least 4 hours until it's really nice and firm, or overnight is best. When it's chilled, it should be this really firm consistency. Scoop tablespoon-sized portions onto a pan lined with parchment paper. And place it into the freezer for now until it's nice and solid. To make the chocolate chip cookies, preheat the oven to 375 degrees. Then in a large bowl, add in the softened butter, brown sugar, and vanilla extract, and cream them with an electric mixer on high speed for 3 to 5 minutes until it's light and pale. Then add in the egg and mix it in until it's well combined. Then in a separate bowl, add in the flour, baking soda, and salt, and whisk them until they're combined. Add the dry ingredients into the creamed butter and sugar mixture, and add in the chocolate chips, and mix them together until they're well combined and it forms a cookie dough. Then scoop out double the amount of cookie dough as there is ganache filling, so about 2 tablespoons of cookie dough. And flatten it between your hands. Place a frozen ganache filling into the center and wrap the cookie dough around the filling until it's enclosed. Smooth it out and flatten it slightly, and place it onto an ungreased baking sheet. And continue doing that until the pan is full, spacing them out at least 1.5 to 2 inches apart. I'm using a 2/3 sheet pan, which is bigger than what most people have. If you're using a half sheet pan, you will need less in the pan. Then bake them in the oven for about 12 minutes until the cookies are a nice golden brown color. When they're done, remove them from the oven and let them cool in the pan for 5 minutes. Then transfer them to a cooling rack and let them cool a little longer. And you can serve them still warm if you like. And that's how to make chocolate-filled chocolate chip cookies. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I have so many more on my channel, so be sure to check them out and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.